Did you know that nearly 78% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck? Yeah, that's a staggering statistic. This means millions of us are just one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. But what if I told you there's a way out? Let's dive into the paycheck to paycheck cycle. It's a reality for so many people today, and it really matters because it affects our mental health, our relationships, and our future. Understanding this cycle is the first step towards breaking free from it. So, what does it really mean to be trapped in this cycle? For many, it feels like an endless loop of stress. You work hard, you get paid, but before you know it, all that cash is gone: bills, groceries, maybe a surprise car repair. There's often little to no savings left over. This constant financial strain can lead to anxiety and depression, making it hard to focus on anything else. And let's not forget how this can affect relationships too. Financial stress is one of the leading causes of conflict between couples. It's a tough spot, and many people feel hopeless, thinking this is just the way life is. Now, let's explore why this is happening. First off, we have the rising cost of living. Rent, groceries, even that morning coffee is getting pricier. On top of that, wages for many jobs have remained stagnant. So, even if you're working hard, your paycheck isn't stretching as far as it used to. And then there are those unexpected expenses that pop up out of nowhere: medical bills, home repairs, you name it. It feels like life is just throwing curveballs at us. All of these factors combine to create a situation where saving money feels impossible, trapping people in a cycle they can't escape. But here's the good news. Let me share a powerful story of someone who broke free from this cycle. Meet Sarah, a woman who once felt overwhelmed by her financial situation. She decided to take control. Sarah started budgeting and tracking her expenses, cutting out unnecessary costs, and even picked up a side gig. It wasn't easy, but over time she managed to create a small emergency fund. The moment she realized she could afford a surprise expense without panicking was a game changer. Her journey taught her valuable lessons about financial literacy and resilience. If Sarah can do it, so can you. So, to recap, the paycheck to paycheck cycle affects millions, creating stress and anxiety. We explored the root causes, like rising living costs and stagnant wages, and we shared Sarah's inspiring story of breaking free. The key takeaway: financial literacy is crucial. It's about taking small, actionable steps toward a healthier financial future. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever felt trapped in this cycle? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for tips on budgeting to help you take control of your finances, check out my next video. Let's break this cycle together.